Hello my friends and welcome back. Now in here we are going to continue with this section. First we are going to create the content inside this Joomla site, and then we are going to continue with the right column. Now you already have the index.php that you create. Well, this will be the index.php that we got from the original template that you built on the Joomla template bootcamp. So we are going to continue. If you notice in here, you are going to have the breadcrumb module will remain the same. The main content with the JDoc component will remain the same. And let me continue. The left module, the right module are going to be remaining the same. So everything will be in place. What we are going to do, we are going to go to lipson.com and we are going to scroll down and click on generate Lorem Ipsum. In this case, we are going to copy all this information, okay? The two initial paragraph, let's Control C, and we are going to go back and log in on the administrator. Now, because you already took the HTML training, I am going to be building this Joomla article with HTML markup, okay? I am not going to be using any text editor at all. So let me just write down homepage. And in this case, we are not going to be creating, I am not going to be creating any category, and paste the information in here. There we are. And let's wrap all this paragraph with the p element. There we are. And the same down here. Control V and copy and Control V. Okay, it will be really simple. And let me increase the size. Now the next step will be inserting an image. Let me click in here. We are going to go to image, then click on browse. Below this video you are going to be able to see the home candy image, and if you click inside that link you are going to be able to get this image, okay, the home candy.jpg, and we are going to click open and start upload. Make a selection on the home candy, then home candy, copy and Control V. Then we are going to insert. As you can see, we are going to have the image in here. Now the only thing that we are going to be using in here will be a class. This class, you are going to be using this class to accomplish this effect in here. You can see the image with the background, the white background, and the shadow around the white background. It will be the same effect that we create in here on this image, okay? The same effect with the shadow and the round corners. So let's go ahead and we are going to insert. You can give any name you want to the class. So we are going to give, in this case, let me write down class, then the equal sign and the quotes, and inside there we are going to write down img and shadow dash shadow. For right now that will be it, and we are going to click on save and close. Then we are going to go to the main menu, and let's click on home. Finally in here we are going to click on select and single article. Make a selection on the article, in this case will be the home page, and we are going to click save and close. Going back and click refresh. Well, hold on, we will need to go back to that specific article and that menu because we are going to be eliminating all this text in here. So we are going to go back, and by the way, I forgot, let me open that link on a new tab, and I am just going to go back to the article manager, because if you see this text you are going to be able to see this title in here. So we are going to click on the article And in this case, we are going to be inserting in here, after the image, we are going to insert an H1 element, and it will say enjoy or chocolate with love. Enjoy or chocolate with love. And then we are going to close the H1 element. There you are. Now at this point, I believe I am just going to click save, and we are going to go back to the menu item that we just create. Show title to hide the category, show category to hide, show author to hide. The same with the publish date, the navigation to hide, icons to hide, print icon to hide, and the email and the hits. Then we are going to go to the page display options, click on no, and we are going to click on save. Let's go back and click refresh. There you are. The next step will be styling all this text and this image. First of all, if we click F12, okay, we are going to go to the body, then main wrapper, and the main call mask, call myth, call left, then center column, main content, item page, and you can see the main content, then the H1 element, and inside the P element we are going to have the image in here. Let me continue, and you know what, I will need to close this one in here. I made a mistake inside the HTML markup. I just realized this. I will be closing this P element in here, and then I will have another P element, the initial P tag. Let's go back, and we are going to click on save again. Let's click on refresh, and now we are going to click on F12, and let me see, now it will be better. So here's what we are going to be doing on the next video. We are going to start styling the image, then we are going to increase the size of the text in here, and we are going to be applying a different color, as you can see. Together with that, we are going to be changing the font style on the H1 element. So let's go ahead and move on.